Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sanjana from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, studying computer science and engineering. Now, today let us see the topic of mathematics, Anova Technique use video. First, let us see the introduction to Anova Technique use, and next we'll go to one-way Anova as well as two-way Anova, and we will see assumptions of Anova, introduction of ANOVA, advantages and limitations of ANOVA, and then finally conclusion. First, let us see the introduction to ANOVA technique use. Analysis of variance is a statistical method used to compare the means of three or more groups to determine if there is a significant difference. Now, let us see what is ANOVA. Statistical comparison. Visual representation of the difference in group means and the variance within groups is nothing but a comparison of statistics. Applications and research of ANOVA. Real world examples of how ANOVA is used to compare multiple groups in such studies. Expert data analysis. Professionals utilizing ANOVA to analyze and interpret complex data sets. Now let us see what is one-way ANOVA. It is a one type in ANOVA. In ANOVA, there are three types of ANOVAs. Now let us see first one-way ANOVA, variable investigation. Assessing the impact of one independent variable on a dependent variable. Data collection, gathering and organizing data from multiple groups or categorized for comparison. Statistical testing, conducting ANOVA tests to analyze the variation between group means and within group variance. Now let us see the second way of ANOVA, that is two-way ANOVA. Comparison of factors, assessing the impact of two independent variables on a dependent variable simultaneously, evaluating interaction effect between the independent variables. Complex data analysis, handling the statistical intricacies of analysis to independent variables and their interaction, interpreting the joint effect of the variables on the outcome. Research utilization, applications in fields such as psychology, biology, and social sciences to compare groups defined by two categorical variables. Now let us see the assumptions of ANOVA. Homogeneity of variance, equal of variance across the groups being compared. Independence of observations, no relationship between the observations within the between groups. Normality of residuals. Residuals of the model are normally distributed. Random samplings. Data collected from groups is obtained through a random process. Now let us see interpreting ANOVA results. Main effect. Significant difference in the group means that is not due to the other independent variables. Interaction effect. Combined effect of two or more independent variables on the dependent variable. Post hoc analysis. Further analysis to determine which group means differ from each other. Effect size, measures of the strength of the relationship between the variables. Now let us see the advantages and limitations of ANOVA. Advantages are used for comparing multiple groups efficiently, provides insight into the impact of multiple factors on the dependent variable. Limitations assumes normal distribution and homogeneity of variance, requires careful consideration of the underlying assumptions. Now let us conclude the topic of ANOVA technique. Provides efficient comparison of multiple groups to analyze group differences, offers valuable insights into the impact of independent variables on the dependent variable, requires careful consideration of the assumptions for accurate interpretation. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.